Seven laps. Bean Junior. Oh, sorry. 5 laps.
Oli! Oli!
5 laps.
Oli, wag kang mag-rap.
Riders, please make sure when you finish, you have to be, your jersey has to be completely closed.
Mike.
Right, this is a Class 2 UCI race, so the top 10 riders for the junior will get the UCI points, right? And the top 10 riders for the junior will also get the Asia Mountain Bike Series points, right? So, gentlemen, 2 minutes to start. 2 minutes to start.
Bakit nila ako ba kasi daw? Sobra niya? Ako. Ano naman yan? Tapos galing ako. Dito sa bahaw. O, iba yung laro namin. Stress lang po. So, may light express. Dito ka sa inyo. Extra ngayon nga, dito sa babaw, dakap na to. Hindi ang gapla ay skip.
1 minute to start. 1 minute to start. Swan,
Tumandok na rin ilaw.
Second to start. Okay, gentlemen, you will start anytime in 15 seconds. And the signal has been given. Let the men junior cross country Olympic of the Asia Mountain Bike Series officially begin. There they are, around 21 men junior riders. They're around 17 to 18 years old. So wala pa talaga, mas malakas pa ang mga tuhan nito. They are that is a tricky ascent and a hard to be in. We have the lead riders. Gold, Coach D Racing Team, El Bambino, Team VSY, Team CCT, Cali Boys, El Bambino, Team Dreamers. All the times, 5 laps, I stand corrected, 5 laps. Total of 18 kilometers. Top 5 po, top 5 ng races kahapon at ngayong araw. Please be present at our awarding ceremony at 2 p.m. Kita na po ang horse back natin.
Hindi mo magkatayo ihalat kung masarap mahal pagtampi sa imuharan makatampisong ikaw mapangatilan Avance, 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 Carlos, avance, avance mabuhay kasi abante, abante hindi maisog, hindi magpahuway abong mapuslan mga kabudlay pinagdados di pase, abante, abante. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance.
Current lead rider is from Go for Gold, rider number 106, Ferdy Manay. And he has such a strong gap with the next riders. He has completely broken away. Lead rider 30 Manay is from Go for Gold, also from Iloilo, followed by rider number 125, Pilot John Raymond from Pasig. A couple of riders have already finished their first lap. We have lead rider earlier, rider number 106, Manay 30 from Go for Gold, also from Iloilo, and then followed by 125, Pilot John Raymond from Team Pasig.
Where, bro? Where from, bro?
We're from Harlow.
Are you joining the race?
No.
Hey,
A few riders went down in high-speed sections, but in some speed were on standby. As we move into today's day 2, it is all eyes on the XCO. This is where
where they all?
The top 5 of all categories, top 5 winners for all categories must be present at the awarding ceremony later 2 p.m. So sa top 5 natin, please be here sa ating awarding ceremony karon 2 o'clock p.m. with your complete and proper racing uniform. Please stay tuned. This is 5 laps, so positions and awards are not yet guaranteed. Incoming lead rider on to finish this lap as lead rider maintaining his position. Rider number 106, Ferdy Manay, also a logo and a Go for Gold rider. Just passed by, finished their first lap was rider number 116. So currently atop 2, rider number 16, De Cafe, Aldrin John from Team Highboys. Just finished his lap as Malaysian rider number 105 from Hela Cycling Team.
Sa mauswagon nga para abuton
from Go for Gold and 125 from Team Passi. But for lap 2, as they enter their lap 2, lead rider was still Leo Dale from Coach D Racing Team. They're on to their last 3 laps. Positions and final places are yet to be determined because the riders still have 3 more laps to go.
Ihalad kung tumasarangan, mamatay man pagdampig sa imong ngaran. Makatang ison, ikaw mapangatingan. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance.
You're currently in the top 3, followed by 105. So currently in the number 1 position is rider 106, Manay 30, followed by 107, Margareo Clarence, followed by 110, Batoto Anel Mark from Team VSY, and then at 4th position is rider number 105 from Malaysia, Hellas Cycling Team, Muhammad Fauzi. And for the 5th position of finishing this lap is rider number 109, Olarte Alan Ray from El Bambino, followed by rider number 108, Morales Cleo Dale from Coach D Racing Team. Rider number 111 on to his next lap, rider John A. Despy. XCO category is a main category is a men junior 17 to 18 years old. Category men junior 17 to 18 years old. Rider oncoming, rider number 117 from Team Cowboys, followed by rider number 131 with an open jersey and fresh air. Also, let me take this time to remind our riders to please finish the race with a completely closed jersey. So, pakisara lang po ng jerseys pag mag-finish na for our riders. And from Go for Gold.
Matangis nga sudar sa siglaran. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance.
Steady pace with a very strong and significant gap from his opponents.
Hindi mo tuwo pag-aagalan, kabuhi ihalad kung tumasarangan, mamatay man pagtampig sa imularan, makatang isun, ikaw mapangatingan. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Pintados, di pase, avance, avance. Mabuhay.
Pwede ito na, lalaki, kickcam na.
finished his lap. And on to his last lap is rider number 107. Previous standing, second place. Current standing, entered the lap, still at second place. Rider number 107, Monica Real Clarence. And battle for third for this lap has been conquered by Malaysian rider 105 from Hela Cycling Team, Muhammad Fauzi Muhammad Na. He started out not in the top 5, I believe, earlier, but he has climbed up to the ranks and is now currently at the 3rd position. So in the 5th position, entering his last lap in 5th position is rider number 108, Morales Cleo Dale from Coach D Racing Team. Previous standings, the rider 108 Morales Cleo Dale from Coach D Racing Team. From their previous lap, he entered at 6th position, but he entered the next lap currently in 5th position. So climbing up the ranks, and here we are finishing his lap, rider number 109.
section in the middle of the track. Now on the left side of the track is rider number 106 from Go for Gold. Manay 30, still the lead rider from beginning of his lap until his last lap happening now. Also, currently in the middle of the track are the two riders who have been exchanging positions since the start of the race. They are currently in between the two words Pasig City. That is Mohammed from Helen Cycling Team of Malaysia and rider 110 Batoto Anel Mark from Team VSY. Sila po ay nag-exchange na lang ng positions, but we will see who will truly come out on top and in the better position. Attention riders for the next category, Masters A. Masters A is our next category. Please stand by. Checkered flag for you, champion! And first place, rider number 106, Go for Gold. Manay 30 finished, started and finished strong in today's Asia Mountain Biking Series XCO right here in Pasig City. They're still battling out. This is a battle for third. Malaysia versus Philippine VSY team. They're still battling it out for third in orange jersey and red and blue jersey. And it is still too early to tell who will be able to step on the podium and who will not. Also, the second place is still open. Sa lap 1 natin, yung taga-Pasig po na rider 125, yung second place. And then sa lap 2, it was rider number 116. Decafe Aldrin John from Cali Boys. And from the previous lap, our second rider was 107. So we had different riders occupying second place. But it is still open and we have yet to see who will claim the second spot. Also, attention for the next category. Important announcement. Masters A 35 to 44 years old. Please stand by. Dapat malapit na po kayo sa call-up box. Masters A 35 to 45 years old XCO. Second place! Checkered flag! Second place is rider number 107, Margarejo Clarence! Palakpakan po natin ang second place, Margarejo Clarence!
So ito ang final results. 106-107. Battle for third. The positions have been exchanged. And the third place is now given to rider number 106 from BSY. Followed by Philip, Malaysia at fourth place. Woo! Congratulations! Philippine Rider Team BSY rider number 110. 110 is Anel Mark Batoto from Team BSY. He will be the one to step on the third place podium position. And the Malaysian rider from Hello Cycling Team, Muhammad Fauzi, will take up the fourth place. Fifth place will be taken up by rider number
Bro.
116 on the round of categories.
Ikaw daog.
Pa?
Ikaw ang nanalo.
Hindi po, si ano, 30 Manay.
30 Manay.
Nandun po sa,
Doon sila sa kabila.
nandun po sa gilid.
Ikaw, anong place mo?
Wala pa ngayon pa lang
Wala ka pa, hindi ka pa. Sige, thank you.
Junior XCO, this is the Asia Mountain Bike Series. So for the next category, Masters A, please stand by.
Ano ba lang to? Ito, walo.
Masters A 35 to 44, Masters A 35 to 44. Paki-proceed na po sa call-up box. Kayo na po ang next category. 35 to 44 years old, Masters A category XCO, please stand by.